Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will explore the best practices for distributing a Python program that uses custom C modules. Custom C modules can be used to optimize performance or provide access to low-level system functionality that Python alone cannot provide. Distributing such a program can be challenging, but we will walk through the steps to make it seamless. Before we begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites. Custom C modules can be used in Python programs to achieve better performance or to interface with low-level system libraries. To distribute a Python program with custom C modules, you need to package, build, and distribute it in a way that allows users to install it easily on their systems. Packaging your C extensions is the first step in the distribution process. You should organize your project structure like this. In this structure, my_module contains your Python code, and my_C_ extension contains your C extension code. Now, create a setup.py script in your project's root directory. This script will define how your project is packaged and distributed. Below is a basic example. This setup.py script uses setup tools to define your project's metadata and include your C extension in the distribution. To compile your C extensions, navigate to the my_C_ extension directory and create a setup.py script for it. Here's an example. Now, from the my_C_ extension directory, run. This will compile your C extension and create a shared object file, .so on Linux, in the same directory. To distribute your Python program, you have several options. Create a source distribution using the following command. This will create a .tar.gz file in the dist directory. Users can install your project from this distribution using pip. If you want to distribute precompiled binaries, you can create a will distribution. This will create a .whl file in the dist directory. Users can install your project using pip as well. Before distributing your project, it's essential to test it on different systems and Python versions. Create a virtual environment and install your package to ensure everything works as expected. Test your package thoroughly to catch any compatibility issues. Distributing a Python program with custom C modules involves packaging, building, and distributing your code effectively. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can ensure that your Python program with custom C extensions is easily installable and usable by others. Remember to document your project and provide clear instructions for users to install and utilize your custom C extensions to maximize the impact of your Python program. ChatGPT